Hello guys, welcome to the next episode of the Toppers Conference on our YouTube channel Assistant Commandants. Our topic for today is how to deal with the situation reaction tests or situation reaction questions that are asked during the UPSC interview. With me to discuss this topic is Purujit Rajan, who is All India Rank 4 and will be joining the BSF. We have Apurv Misra, All India Rank 23 and who will be joining the SSB. Deepak Singh, who is All India Rank 66 and who will be joining SSB. He too will be joining SSB. And I'm Mahesh Sakalkar, All India Rank 197, and I too will be joining the BSF. So, starting off with you, Apurv, right now, what do you think? How to deal with the SRT questions?
Okay. This is a very intriguing part of the interview, I felt. Usually we are prepared either of the DAF or of the GS. So we are usually expecting the questions from there. But there's something which you cannot be short prepared about, which is in the interview, is the situation reaction test, the SRTs. So what happens is, out of the blue, they give you they throw any random situation in front of you, and they want to see that how quick you are to respond and what is your reaction actually all about. So I felt staying totally honest and true to yourself is what drove me to getting decent marks in the interview. So they asked me, for example, 3 SRTs. One of them was that if you have you are an assistant commandant of a battalion, and then the people under you, the boys under you have recently joined, and this is going to be a first battle for them, and it's a very bloody and gruesome war going on. So how will you motivate them? So there I used immediately I remembered that I have some quotes memorized. So I had purposely planted them in this question. So I started with quoting the Gita, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bharata abhyutthanam dharmasya tadatmanam srijamya. So using this line, I would be motivating my young recruits, telling that whenever जब भी पाप बढ़ा धरती पर, किसी ना किसी को अवतार लेकर उस पाप को ultimately finish करना होता. And I believe my young blood, my young guns will handle this enemy and will finish them decisively. So this is how I used that quote and motivated my young recruits. Now immediately इसके follow up भी था that now you have won the war and you have to give a speech as the commander, being the assistant commandant, in front of those very people whom you have defeated. So what would you say? And your prime minister is also sitting there. So I said, first of all, I will give salutations to all the chief guests, including the prime minister and all my seniors. After that, I would address the people, and the gist of my speech would be that I would want my uniform and my men not to be remembered as bloodthirsty conquerors. Rather, I would want my uniform and my men to be associated and remembered as guardian-like protectors. So this is how I made sure that there's a balance, that even though I want aggressiveness in my troop when they're fighting, but after the war is won, I want peace and reconciliation to be given. So that was the message which I conveyed through the 2 SRTs. And there was one more, I think, regarding the IT part, because I had done my bachelor's in IT and master's in information security. So they asked that when in Mahabharat, when Sanjay explains whatever the war scenes are happening in the field, he explains it to Dhritarashtra. So do you find any connect with modern information technology? So immediate reaction was yes, but how to justify it? So I said, yes, sir, of course. Even today, most of the matches, more than 90% of the audience of that match sits at home and streams it live. So in those times, whatever the powers Sanjay had, I think Dhritarashtra, being the king, could not be there in the field, but he utilized the powers of Sanjay to the best of his potential. And as a king, he utilized it to monitor whatever is happening and pass on his command. So that was, I think, perfect utilization in terms of technology. So that is how I connected. So main thing is that you have to be aware how can I link different things, and वो चीज आ जाती है when you read a lot, when you study a lot. GS आपकी जब prepared रहती है, just you have to have a swift application of mind, and through a couple of mock interviews, I think you can push yourself to that extent that you can handle those situations. Just one caveat, that be honest and be true to yourself. Don't try to just you can say build an answer at that particular moment. Just go with the flow, and whatever comes in your mind, try to construct a proper and an answer full of etiquettes, which shows the discipline as well as the vigor of the forces. So keeping up the respect of the uniform, I think you can do justice to the SRTs. That's how I'll conclude. Over to you, Mahesh.
Apurv, very interesting answers to some very simple questions. Well done. Coming to you, Deepak, now, what were your SRTs? How did you answer them? And what do you think? How should one actually tackle these questions?
Okay. Thank you, Mahesh, for having me here. So SRT is a critical part of the interview, I believe. But the irony is that मेरे से ये इस बारे में कोई question नहीं पूछा था, but I was well prepared for SRTs as I have already given this 6 to 7 SSB. So I was very well prepared कि क्या पूछा जा सकता है. So from my point of view, what is necessary to tackle SRT is कि first you have to be logical, and then you have to have common sense, which is very common, I believe. Then you have to know your surroundings. आपको इमेजिन करना आना चाहिए कि आप उस पोजीशन में होके आपके पास रिसोर्सेज क्या अवेलेबल हैं, आपके पास ऑप्शंस क्या क्या हैं, एंड आपको प्रैक्टिकल सोचना पड़ेगा. यू नीड नॉट बी वेरी थियोरेटिकल, but at the same time you have to maintain some principle while delivering your duties. So that's it from my side. Over to Mahesh.
Purujit, what is your opinion on this?
Okay, so thank you, Mahesh, for having us here for this conference. So first of all, I would like to say that very nicely put by Apurv Mishra and Deepak Singh. Now, talking about the SRTs in the interviews, so I assume that it is the final part of your personal interview. So first of all, I would like to suggest that this is the time when you have gone through the entire interview and you are literally charged up. They have asked you so many questions and you have drained away. So do not lose your confidence at all while listening to the case studies, the situation that has been given to you by the interviewer. You should listen to it properly so that you can get the details of the situation. Now, tackling the situation reaction test. Okay. So first of all, it is very much related to your psychology and your character. How is your character? What is your character? It definitely affects your answer for the situation reaction. For example, if you have any kind of escapist tendency, then I'm afraid that you will have to prepare for situation reaction separately, because you may project it there, that you have some kind of fear of something or you have some kind of escapism. Then you should be able to avoid that at the time of answering that situation reaction test. And at the same time, we should understand that most of the situations that have been given to you in the SRT, they are mostly related, in most of the cases, they are related to your force preference. For example, I was in BSF. So I was given a situation that was very much linked to the issues that have been happening in the Kashmir or other border districts. So that was the case. I have my friends, those who have opted CRPF as their first preference. So they got questions from there. So you should be ready that you may get a question from your force preference. Now, while tackling the situation reaction question, first of all, you should be aware of all the roles, responsibilities, and duties of an assistant commandant. You should know them, the separate roles that an assistant commandant play as the COI commander. So he is also providing for the mess and accommodation of his soldiers. He is also responsible for the armory. He is also the quartermaster. Sometimes he is also responsible for the appropriation, and he's also playing the role of drawing and disbursement officer. So you should know all the roles and responsibilities of the assistant commandant, and you should be aware of the resources that have been provided to you in the situation so that you can conclude your answer accordingly. So if you are aware of all these things, I don't think that situation reaction will be a problem in the interview. And my final recommendation for those who are going to appear in the interview is that never lose your confidence at any time in your interview. because they may try to exert pressure on you. They may even scold you for a wrong answer or answer which doesn't match with their opinion. So my final advice to you is that never lose your confidence. They are just testing you to know that how you respond under pressure. So never lose your confidence. Over to you, Marish.
Thank you so much for your views, Purujit. According to me, I think it is very important, as Apurv said, to be honest in the interview, and as Deepak and Purujit very specifically said that you need to be very confident while speaking. Another aspect is that you need to be completely realistic. तुम कोई सुपरमैन हो नहीं कि तुम सारा काम जाके खुद करोगे. You need to know that there are some procedure which are followed. अगर एक situation ऐसा आता है that you find a bomb in a vehicle, obviously तुम खुद जाके तो मतलब diffuse करोगे नहीं. You will obviously follow all procedure. You will evacuate all the people from there, and then you'll call the bomb squad. That is the normal routine followed. Even if you don't know this, you can easily start off with, I'll do this, and then you just end it by, I will follow all the other procedures that are set. So you need to be very realistic. Secondly, you need to, when the question is asked, you need to remain very calm, think before answering. Do not be trigger happy, because anyway we are joining the profession of arms. You cannot afford to be trigger happy here. You need to answer very, very calmly and after a lot of thought. So I think that's it. I hope this video really helps everyone who's preparing for the interview, and specifically who has got issues with the situation reaction question, the situation reaction test. We'll definitely meet for another episode. Till then, Jai Hind, goodbye, and continue with your preparations strong. Bye.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.